In the products view, you'll see a column for each attribute of the products in your project. And at the end of the grid on the right hand side, there are some extra columns, one column for each drawing in your project. So you can see that we have a block schematic drawing, a rack layout drawing, and we have columns for each of the drawings in the project. In the columns, you'll see some icons. A green icon means that a symbol for this product instance exists in this drawing. And if you click on a green tick, it takes you to the drawing, highlights the product symbol, and you can see the product and all of its attributes. You can return to the dashboard using the fast key Control H, and the red cross in a drawing column means that that product does not have a symbol for that drawing type. These first 12 products are all loudspeakers. They don't go into racks, so there are no rack layout symbols for them. If you see a yellow circle, it means this product does have a symbol for this drawing type, but it's not yet in the drawing. So click on the yellow circle, it will take you to the drawing and highlight that product instance in the available symbols palette. From there, you can simply click and drag to add the product into the drawing, and I'll do the same with this other amplifier as well. Returning to the dashboard, there's one other icon, which is a blue sigma that you can see down here bottom right. This means that the product is a user-defined product and you have not yet created a symbol for this drawing type. If you click on the blue sigma, it will bring up the user-defined product wizard, and you can then choose to add any symbols that are missing from that particular user-defined product. So those are the drawing columns in the products view. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to the Stardraw channel. Thank you for watching.